Yeah, I get a few questions from people, or I've had a few questions from people saying, if I add one of these to my organ, will it improve the sound quality? Well, I suspect that they possibly have written these emails before they've watched all of the videos and before they've researched what Hauptwerk is and what it does, because the way they're kind of generally written is, how would I connect this to my speakers, blah blah blah. So clearly they've kind of gotten the wrong end of the stick there completely in how it works, and so because of that, what I'm going to do, either on the way down here if there's time after I've done the answers to these questions, or possibly on the way back later on, is I'm just going to have a chat about exactly how Hauptwerk works, if you want, or how virtual organ, it doesn't necessarily need to be Hauptwerk, but Hauptwerk is, in my view, the most advanced and the most well, I suppose reliable and fit for purpose virtual organ software that's out there. Having said that, I'm probably going to get 1,001 emails and comments telling me that people have other opinions, but that's my opinion, and that was what I originally designed this encoder to work with. Anyway, I shall do a little chat while I'm driving. I'll put it in a separate video. I'll probably call it something like Absolute Beginner's Guide to Hauptwerk, and I'll explain exactly how everything connects together, what everything does, and how it all works as a system. And I think hopefully that will help people who are asking me whether adding one of these would improve the sound quality of their organ.